Alright, here we are, live, Sky Harbor International Airport, as usual. But there is unusual things happening today. We have an experimental aircraft from Honeywell, which apparently has been retired, possibly headed towards a museum. So we're going to graffiti it with a Sharpie today. There it is, down in the distance there. Open that, there we go. It's, this is the aircraft. They would mount engines up over here. And you see all the other graffiti? Do you see? Alright, so we're a qualified aircraft fueler. So we're gonna sign it.
2 bags of ice, please, on 45 kilo entry. And also 376 from the hotel requesting 70 wind prints.
Ooh.
70 print. 4-5 kilo entry, please.
The world is round as well as you know it. The place which may seem like the end may also be the beginning. Goodbye, or not the end, simply means I'll miss you. Love, Honeywell. So, we're going to go here. Busy. On the aircraft. Wonderful.